In this video, I'm going to show you how to join Still a Brainrot official Discord server. I'll show you both how to join from your desktop computer or from your mobile phone. So, first of all, you need to go to the roblox.com and log into your account. After that, in the search bar, you need to write the name of the game, Still a Brainrot, and click the search button. Then you need to find the game, which is right here, open it. And when you scroll down, here you will see different social media links, and here will be Discord. So you need to click on it, and it redirects you to your Discord, where you need to accept and join. As you can see, we joined their Discord server. After you will join it, you need to go through verification, and you will have full features on this Discord server. So if you want to join the server from your mobile phone, so this was the computer, and if you want to join the server from your mobile phone, you need to have Discord or on your mobile. I will leave this link on YouTube. It will be in the first pinned comment. So you can just click on this link and you will join their Discord server using your mobile phone. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.